Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another beauty egg unboxing to share with you, and it's from Glossybox. This is the gorgeous, gorgeous box. It's so cute. This is not released yet, so this is a spoiler video, so you're able to see what's inside, and then when it goes on sale on Monday the 20th of March, then you'll know whether it's for you or not. It goes on sale at 9 AM for subscribers and it'll cost £30. Then it will go on sale at 12 PM for non-subscribers for £40. It has a value of £204. This is kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I'll pop a link down below in my description. It won't be live yet, but if you're watching this from Monday onwards, then it will be updated. It'll be live and clickable. And also down there you'll find information about their subscription, as well as other discount codes and offers I've got from other websites and any giveaways I've currently got running. You'll find it down there, so you're welcome to take a look. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. So with it you get a little card like this, and it's a QR code, so you're able to scan and it'll bring up all the information about the products inside the box, so I'm able to refer to it as we go along. But one product was packaged separately, and that's because it was too big to fit inside, and it's a palette from Revolution, and this is the Forever Limitless Allure palette. I'll just get the outer packaging off. This retails for £20 and has 27 shades. I haven't seen it before. It's got a mirror there, and those are the shades. So I'm giving you first look. Do a bit of a swatch. Straight away I'm going for Allure, which is like a gorgeous metallic bronze. Oh my gosh, look. That is so nice. Okay, try Idle down here. They are really buttery smooth. No fallout. Just really, really pretty shades. Let's try the mattes. A little bit more powdery. But that's fine. Featuring 27 shades of neutral nudes, warm browns and deep berry hues, and an array of mattes and shimmers, this palette will make the perfect addition to any makeup bag. I'm going to have to wipe my hands now. So we've got a palette. So let's see what the rest of the products are. That's what they look like in there. We've got a Vita Liberata. This is a fabulous self-tanning gradual lotion with marula oil, and it's suitable for all skin tones, and there's 50 mils there. This is a deluxe size and it's worth £6. The perfect daily moisturiser for your face and body, enhances, hydrates, builds and prolongs any tan, giving the easiest daily glow. So is that. Next we've got the original by Hair Syrup, a pre-wash oil treatment, nourish, restore and protect, our signature golden nectar, a must-have for dull damaged hair in need of some serious TLC, with sweet almond, apricot and yoba, and there's 100 mils there. So it's a pre-wash treatment for your hair. This is full size and retails for £13.95. Add this treatment into your hair care routine to nourish and restore your locks, add shine and banish tangled lengths. So, next we've got spray, a body spray by Hawaiian Tropic. This is Golden Paradise. It's a fragrance mist. This is warm sand and creamy coconut, and there's 100 mils there. Warm sands and coconut. That is quite nice. I was expecting it to be really, really sweet, but it's not. It is quite nice actually. Yeah, I can smell the coconut. Is it pineapple in there as well? Yeah, I do really like it. It's not too overpowering. This is a deluxe size and it is worth £6. One quick spritz will lightly scent your body with an exotic coconut scent whilst giving your body a beautiful glow head to toe. Oh, I didn't realise. Is it sparkly? No, it's not sparkly. So why would it give you a glow? I'm confused. I don't know. But we've got a fragrance mist there. Next, Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. This is an anti-aging day cream and there's 15 mils here. This is a deluxe size and it is worth £35. This super moisturising yet ultra light cream increases hydration. This advanced formula is clinically proven to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles in 2 weeks. It also helps to improve the look of firmness and elasticity for skin that looks smooth and rejuvenated. Yeah, I love Elemis. Next we've got a product from Avant. This is a shea butter hyaluronic, vitamin B3 seawater, sweet almond. We'll get to what it actually is. It's a deluxe hyaluronic acid vivifying face and eye night cream. There's 50 mils here. This is the first product I tried from this range, and I think I got it in a Glossybox a couple of years ago. A pricey brand. Not a lot of the products I do like personally, but this is one that I really, really like. Yeah, it's just left my skin feeling super soft. I woke up, it looked plumped, it looked fresh. I just didn't look shattered. But yeah, it's pricey though. This is full size and it retails for £98. There's no way I would pay £98. It's a nice cream, but that is just, that's beyond, isn't it? A delightful anti-aging moisturiser for use on face and targeted eye area, formulated with hyaluronic acid that works to deeply nourish the skin. So there's that. Next we've got an exfoliating tonic by Earle. Smooth and glow, transforms texture and minimises the look of pores for brighter skin. And there's 50 mils here. This is nice as well. I've got this in my stash at the moment. I like to switch things around. I love using the Paula's Choice Exfoliating BHA, but I only use that like a couple of times a week. And then in between I use something a bit gentler. This is a deluxe size and it's worth £6. Reveal ultra smooth, glowing skin in 30 seconds with this multi-benefit toner, which helps even skin tones, supports surface cell turnover and hydrates to leave the complexion looking energized. There's that. Then we got a lip liner by Barry M. How many of you don't use your teeth to open up makeup like this? Wrapped up. Ugh. I bit into the end too much and I've got a bit of wood now in my mouth. Never mind. I think this is shade Go To. I think so. Let's try a little bit. This is like a dark rosy toned. This is deluxe size and it is worth £3.49. The flattering shade complements every skin tone, whilst the creamy and easy to apply formula ensures it lasts all day. So we've got lip liner. We've got 2 items left. We've got Ciaté. This is a bamboo bronzer. It's a powder bronzer, so it's like a little sample. Ooh. There, that's quite pale. I love the little stars. Can you see there? This is in Palm Island. This is worth £8. Infused with bamboo extract and vitamin E, this bronzer has been formulated with ultrafine pigments to create a weightless, natural looking second skin finish. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got something for your body. This is a rose gold shimmer scrub, exfoliator for smooth glowing skin. And Body Glitter's better cousin by Frank Body. Okay, I've tried products from Frank Body before, but not this one. Rose Gold Shimmer Scrub. So these scrubs contain coffee and they leave a heck of a mess in your shower, but they leave your skin super, super smooth. It feels like you've got, it must be all the other ingredients inside as well, but it leaves my skin as if it's got like a nice oil to it, as if it's been really nicely moisturised as well. It is gorgeous. It is really, really nice. This is full size and it retails for £15.95. It will perk up your skin and give your body that added shimmer. This product exfoliates, hydrates and highlights all in one go. An absolute all-rounder. So really nice then for like before you go out for a night or something like that. I don't know, that's a bit different. So there you go. So those are all the items inside this year's Glossybox Beauty Easter egg. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got the Revolution Forever Limitless Allure eyeshadow palette. We've got the Original by Hair Syrup, a pre-treatment oil for your hair. We've got a Hawaiian Tropic Fragrance Mist in Golden Paradise. We've got an Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. This is a moisturiser. We've got a Vita Liberata Fabulous Gradual Self-Tanning Lotion. We've got a Ciaté London Bamboo Bronzer in Palm Island. We've got a Earle Soothe and Glow Exfoliating Toner. We've got a lip liner by Barry M in shade Go To. We've got an Avant Face and Eye Night Cream. And lastly, a Frank Body Rose Gold Shimmer Body Scrub. The cost of the box is £40 if you're a non-subscriber or £30 if you are. It goes on sale on the 20th of March, 9 AM for subscribers, 12 AM for non-subscribers, and it has a value of £204. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you going to purchase it, or are you watching this thinking, nah, it's not for me this year? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.